Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Joshua Franson. A pretty cloudy and dreary morning, but at least we're remaining calm. That's going to change though in the future, especially as our winds begin to swap out of the southeast. That brings up a little bit more moisture and a little bit warmer temperatures. But tonight we'll see the arrival of our next weather system, which may cause some travel impacts depending on where you are. But after that, winds remaining calm out of the east, and then tomorrow out of the north, allowing for cooler air to move in. So things are going to get colder next week. So make sure you're planning ahead, because we're not going to be on this mild side forever. We will tonight though. But here's your forecast going into the afternoon. Clouds will decrease for just a bit, but as quickly as they move on out, they're going to move back in. Brief period of sunshine around 2 to 3 p.m. before more clouds pull on in. Then tonight around 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. we see the arrival of that next system, mainly bringing with it some snow and very light freezing drizzle. It should be pretty light, but if any of it does accumulate on any roads, especially where there's snowfall, it might be pretty hard to see, and it can be pretty slick in some spots. That will move through and persist till about 3 p.m. tomorrow and clear on out during the afternoon. Afterwards, we'll be left with the clouds, and then those clouds will break apart as we head into the evening hours tomorrow and overnight tomorrow night, sitting partly cloudy. But overall totals of precipitation by type, around 1 to 2 inches north of Highway 18 of snowfall. The rest of us could see a trace to 1 inch across our area. And anywhere south of Highway 18, you could expect maybe a glaze of ice with any of that light freezing drizzle, as it can accumulate, and well, it doesn't take much to make things pretty slick. So make sure you're driving safe, especially if you are in an area with snowfall. It can reduce visibilities at times. But overall for today, remaining in the upper 20s to upper 30s, we'll see those clouds decrease. Tonight, freezing drizzle begins to move through. Temperatures on the mild side, sitting in the 20s, and then tomorrow, pretty similar picture today as it was today. Temperatures in the upper 20s to upper 30s. Freezing drizzle moves out during the afternoon. Further ahead, things get cooler as we head into next week, probably peaking on Thursday morning. That's when we get a lot of these below zero temperatures pretty close to our area, but not necessarily in our area. So we'll probably be in the single digits with wind chills in the negatives, of course, possibly into the negative teens at times. It looks like we're going to remain cooler as we head into February, as we're still sitting just slightly below normal February 14th through the 20th, but maybe afterwards we can finally start to warm up just a little bit more. Here's your city-by-city forecast. That rain and snow moving in tonight and then persisting throughout Saturday. Remaining on the mild side Saturday, sitting in the 30s. Cooler Sunday, but partly cloudy skies. Not too cool, though, sitting in the upper 20s. And then the 10-day forecast. A couple more snow chances coming up next week on Tuesday and Wednesday. Still colder, though, sitting in the teens and lower 20s. Valentine's Day, mostly cloudy, sitting in the upper 20s. And then maybe another snow chance next weekend. But the cooler weather seems like it's going to stick around for just a bit longer.